Hello and welcome to my C# tutorial where I'm going to show you how to do the \n statement. So the \n allows you to make a new line in your code. So let's apply that somewhere, shall we? So we need to produce a pyramid. Doing this, we need to use a \n, which makes a new line. So we need to do a pyramid of asterisks, and this is how we can do it. You would write console.write line, and then you would do shift bracket shift quotes. This sort of task will require some thinking because you're doing a pyramid basically. So this is how I would approach it. First of all, I would put a semicolon on the end just to make sure you got it all syntactically correct. If you have, otherwise you'll just get a syntax error and your program will not work. So this is how I would do it. On your keyboard, just press spacebar 5 times. And shift and 8, I'll give you an asterisk. Then we're going to press the spacebar 5 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then what we can do is a \n. And then what we're going to do is we're going to press the spacebar 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shift and 8. Space, shift and 8. Then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. \n. Then we're going to do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to do \n, 1, 2, and so on. So you can see, the more these asterisks we do, the less spaces we're going to do before the first one. And then we're going to run it. Yes, it will take time, so you just got to be patient. And voila, works like a charm, right there. So what we've done, \n, it just makes a new line in your code, and that's actually more efficient than doing 5 console write line 5 times. Doing it with escape characters, more efficient. That's task 3, done. Next task, we need to write a program where we write 3 sentences in one console.writeLine statement. We need to use \n. And this is how we do it. We do console.write line brackets. Let's put the semicolon there so we know to be on the safe side. Then we do shift and quote. We can say this is first sentence, \n. And there we go. So we got our 3 sentences. So the \n, what that's going to do is it's going to make new lines. Yes, it will take time to compile, and this is what it's done. So we got, this is the first sentence, \n makes a new line. So the second sentence is on a new line. \n, the third sentence is on the third line. So that is how the escape characters actually work in this case. Yep, and in my next video, I'm going to be doing \t, which I think deserves a video in its own right, because I can go through more examples of efficient coding there. Well, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to making another video for you. Goodbye for now.